if you're like me and you have an awesome personality, you live carefree, you do whatever you want, when you want, you love to have fun, the only thing you take serious is not taking anything serious, then you usually encounter a lot of hate. Some people hate to see other people have a good time. They hate to see other people have fun because they look at their life and they're like, you know what? I'm not having that much fun, so why is this person having so much fun? So most of the time, people come up to me and say, Cliff, how do you remain so happy and so cheerful, with all this hate around you? So many people don't like you. So
I tell them, say, YOLO, YOLO, YOLO. I tell them, say, YOLO, YOLO, YOLO. I tell them, say, YOLO, YOLO, YOLO. You only live once, so enjoy your life. I dey enjoy my life. YOLO, 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 YOLO. You only live once, so enjoy your life. I dey enjoy my life, cause God don't bless me. I feel so happy. It's Friday night and the month just end. Now me they make my money, so I could spend my money. I don't need anyone to tell me how to spend my money. So when you make your money, make you spend your money. You don't need anyone to tell you how to spend your money. I tell them, say, YOLO, YOLO, YOLO. I tell them, say, YOLO, YOLO, YOLO. I tell them, say, YOLO, YOLO, YOLO. You only live once, so enjoy your life. I dey enjoy my life. YOLO, 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 YOLO. You only live once, so enjoy your life. I dey enjoy my life.
woo! Yes, YOLO. You might only live once, but you have a whole lifetime to have a good time. Alright? Don't worry about what anybody thinks about you. The only thing that matters is how you feel about yourself and how good you make the people around you feel. So forget the hate and the haters. Sooner or later when they're old, they're going to look back and say, gosh, I wish I would have done this my way.
Activated.
I tell them, say, YOLO, YOLO, YOLO. I tell them.